عليكم my dear students. I am Mr. محمد شكرى from now secondary school. إن شاء الله اليوم نبدأ أول فيديو لينا فيديوهات الخاصة بمجموعة التقوية النظامية للصف الثالث الثانوي. Okay, let's start with page 20. Okay, we have vocabulary, unit 4. Okay, we have some new words and their similar meaning. Okay, the first word is rapid. It means quick. Okay. The second word is illuminated. It means lit up. Sophisticated. It means advanced. Representative. Representative. It means typical. Cluster. It means group of something. Cluster of something. Group of something. Determine. To decide to do something. Also we have the phrasal verb with come. Come about, come into, come up with, come round. You know the meaning of come. Phrasal verb is a verb with a preposition like about, into, up with, round. But it has different meaning from the meaning of the verb. Come about, it means happen. Come into, it means to inherit. Come up with, it means think of. Come round, to regain consciousness. Okay, now we have some confused words. Words that have similar meaning but there is a bit difference in meaning. The first group is peak, height, and top. Peak, what does it mean? It means the pointed top of something, of anything. It's a pointed top of anything. For example, when you leave school at 1 o'clock, sorry, it is a peak hour, the pointed top of time. So it's crowded, so it is a peak hour. Height. The height of something, for example, the height of our house is 3 meters. The distance upward from a given level to a fixed point. The distance from upward, okay, from a given level to a fixed point is the height of something, the height of school, the height of house. Top. The uppermost part of anything. The top of a house. The uppermost part of anything. Okay. The next group is notice, remark, observe. To notice, to pay attention. To notice, to pay attention. Or to take notice. To pay attention. Okay. Remark. Remark, to say something casually, as in making a comment. Yeah. Observe, it means to watch something carefully. For example, when you have an experiment at school, you observe what is the teacher doing, so you watch carefully. Signal, sign, symbol, and gesture. Signal is anything that serves to indicate. Anything that serves to indicate. Command or word or light. Sign, an object. Or even to convey a meaning, like the stop sign on road, or P, no parking sign, is an object to convey a meaning. Okay, it means for example P, okay, it means you can't park here. A symbol. A symbol is something used to represent something else. Something used to represent something else. For example, the dove. It's a bird, you know, dove. Dove is a symbol of what? Of peace. Okay, excellent. Gesture. Gesture is a movement or position of the hand. Usually used to express emotions. Okay, a movement or position of the hand. Okay, the next word is location. Location. A place of something or someone. Position. Position. The proper place of something or somebody. For example, when you sleep on your right side, it's your position, the proper place of something. Site, the area of exact place of ground. Spot. Spot. Spot like this, it's rounded mark of a place. Okay, the next group is transfer, transmit. It's repeated here, transmit, transport. Transfer. Transfer. Transmit. Transport. Let's start with transport. You know the meaning of transport: to go from place to another by pass, by car. Transmit. Transmit. For example, if you have flu or cold, you can transmit the disease. You can give the disease to someone. Transfer. To send something from one place to another, or to send someone from one place to another, like transferring money from one place to another place. Now let's repeat the words again: rapid, quick, illuminated, lit up, sophisticated, advanced, representative, typical, cluster, group, determined, to decide, come about, happen, come into, inherit, come up with, think of, come round, regain consciousness, peak, height, top, notch, remark, observe, signal, sign, symbol, gesture, location, position, site, spot, transfer, transmit, and transport. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video, inshallah. We have another video for exercising, inshallah, for lesson 10. Goodbye.